Kind of a cool little in there, huh? You can't say enough about Trees of Mysteries. You should have time to go. Cool place. The drive-through one. But yeah, kind of getting the end here. Eureka's a nice city. A lot of people like to grow a lot of illegal marijuana back in the woods. When you get off the beaten trail, you stumble across someone else's patch. They still grow it illegally. With some of these Sierras a long time ago, they had boiling water the whole 9 yards. They found a whole bunch. My science teacher used to know we smoked dope, and he used to fly over cornfields the old days when I was back in the 70s. And they'd grow in the middle of cornfields. That's how he'd find it. He goes, all you pot smokers, he goes, we found some, because he kind of went along for the ride. Great guy. But he would show us pictures of these big marijuana fields in the middle of I think it was kind of cool. But he knew we were pot smokers. Yep. So it looks like something came down, cut open. Good firewood. Sasquatch, Bigfoot. I come in peace. Some YouTuber, TikToker. No wildlife yet. Kind of like a good horror movie back in here. Kind of like Friday the 13th. Kill, 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 kill. Hello, Bigfoot. Sasquatch. Hello. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're kind of coming to the end here, the trail. So, walking in the woods is the most peaceful thing in the world. So if I was RVing, I'd be at one place for like 3 weeks and just explore the whole area, play golf, you know, go bike riding. That's what I'd be doing. I'd hit every public golf course I could find. especially over by back in Minnesota, Apple Valley Zoo. They've got an area right there you can camp, and you've got all kinds of stuff you can do in Minnesota. Go to the candy store down there in Jordan, watch a Twinkies game. A lot of minor league baseball teams throughout the country, NASCAR, college football games. Hello. Dudes. Bajownies. Hello. Little trail that goes up there to another bike trail. I think we got like 6 or 7 videos off of one battery, so that's pretty good. Coming to showing red on it, so. But I'm looking forward to going to St. Martin. So I'm gonna get down to we get back home. I'm gonna close to the fall. Have her drop me off down by the old Mighty Mo. So it's kind of where I started, it looks like. So, anyways, this is where I started the whole thing. So, anyways, we appreciate you guys following me on the adventure for Sasquatch, Bigfoot, in search of. You don't know unless you go, right? Maybe we'll put a few up on the other channel, see what happens. Hope you guys had a good Labor Day weekend. Laboring, non-laboring, God bless working class. Always God bless working class, like I said, and also military and the armed forces. All the branches, we know what the hunch did. You know, going out there to the cemetery, calling over the military and the armed forces. But I had fun. It's nice up here. Bigfoot, Sasquatch. I tried. So, anyways, gonna be at the car, go to the airport, and fly back. So, you don't know unless you go, right? So, who knows? So, well, there's some pretty cool stuff here. Getting down the red here. These are kind of cool. Look at that. These are pretty cool. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very cool. But anyways, guys. Very cool. But anyways, guys. Woods. No Sasquatch or Bigfoot. Away she goes. See you next adventure. Ciao.